artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming how organizations operate, automating processes, improving decision-making, and unlocking new levels of efficiency. Yet, as exciting as these possibilities are, the real challenge lies not in the technology itself, but in the ethical questions surrounding its use. Implementing AI in any workplace requires thoughtful consideration of how it affects employees, customers, and the broader society. One of the most prominent ethical concerns is bias in AI systems. AI models learn from historical data, and if that data reflects existing inequalities, gender imbalance, socioeconomic disparities, or stereotypical patterns, the model may unintentionally reinforce them. For example, AI used in hiring could overlook qualified candidates simply because past hiring data favored certain groups. This raises the responsibility for organizations to design systems that are transparent, regularly audited, and corrected for bias before they impact real people. Another challenge is privacy and data governance. AI systems depend heavily on personal and behavioral data. Employees may feel uncomfortable knowing that their productivity, communication patterns, or even physical movements are being tracked and analyzed. Without clear consent, purpose limitation, and strong data protection practices, AI risks violating personal boundaries. Ethical AI requires companies to define what data is collected, why it is needed, and how long it will be stored, while giving individuals meaningful control over their information. There is also the concern of job displacement. While AI can reduce repetitive or manual tasks, it can also create anxiety among employees who fear becoming obsolete. The ethical responsibility lies in how organizations manage this transition. Instead of replacing roles abruptly, companies should invest in upskilling, reskilling, and creating hybrid roles where humans and AI complement each other. Ethical AI adoption should empower people, not displace them. A further challenge emerges with accountability. When an AI system makes a mistake, misclassifies a document, incorrectly flags a transaction, or denies a policy claim, who is responsible? The employee, the manager, the creator of the algorithm? Ethical frameworks must clearly define accountability so that errors can be corrected without unfair blame and without harming the people impacted. Another subtle but growing challenge is over-reliance on automation. When organizations depend too heavily on AI-generated insights, human judgment may weaken. Employees may stop questioning outputs even when they seem inaccurate. A healthy workplace requires maintaining human oversight and establishing clear boundaries where human decision-making remains essential. Finally, transparency and communication are vital. AI adoption often fails ethically, not because of harmful intent, but because people are left uninformed. Employees and stakeholders need to understand how AI works, what decisions it influences, and how it affects their daily tasks. Open dialogue reduces fear, builds trust, and supports responsible long-term implementation. In conclusion, AI can be a powerful enabler, but only if implemented with strong ethical guardrails. Organizations must proactively address bias, privacy, accountability, job impacts, and transparency. Ethical AI is not just about doing things efficiently, it is about doing them responsibly, with fairness, respect, and humanity at the core.